So today we've come to Spain. We're in Seville, Spain. I think the locals pronounce it Sevilla. And right now I'm just on the top of the rooftop of our hostel. We've come to a place called Nuevo Suizo, and it was 32 euros per night, but you get free breakfast included. It is a private room in like in a hostel. So this is a very like historic city, loads of amazing old centuries old buildings here that we're going to be checking out today. So yeah, we're going to head out now and explore. In the queues. I think it's more touristic than I expected. Way
more.
What day is it today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yeah, and this place is packed. Alright, so we finally entered. The place we've come to is called the Royal Alcazar, which is a royal palace, and some of the royal family actually still use some of the places here apparently. How much did it cost again per person?
11.50.
11.50
euros.
Yeah, 11.50 euros. I think if you're a student between like 17 to 25 years old, it's like 3 euros. So let's check this place out. We've now come to a really beautiful courtyard, probably one of the most beautiful things I've seen so far here. So you can see, like, look at all these like super sophisticated detailed designs. Got these beautiful arches, and then pretty much around you have like ceramics everywhere. Some amazing designs, right?
Yeah.
The majority of Spain and Portugal was controlled by the Muslims for I think like 6 or 7 centuries. So a lot of like the art and the architecture has been inherited from like the Arabs. So even here it all looks kind of Arabic really. We've now come to the garden area. That back there was maybe the best building I've ever seen. Never seen a building that beautiful before. So the majority of that building there is actually from the 14th century, and before it was a Muslim fort that was demolished, and then they made like the royal palace. So that's just a little bit of history about it. Look at this cool gateway. Little fountain. See, like that's the kind of thing that I see in like pictures of Morocco and things like that.
Yeah, or Turkey.
Yeah, or Turkey. It's always geometrical patterns everywhere. What a nice garden though. We've come at the top of some building here in the garden. I'm not even sure what it is, but yeah, you got some really nice views of the garden here. So you get a lot better view from the top. Building looks really nice as well. I didn't expect it to be so big. Yeah, we've been here for like easily over an hour now. Probably spent like 2 hours here. It's really massive. now come to the riverside. There's a river right next to where we were before. In front of us you have Torre del Oro, Golden Tower. You can go up that, I think, for like €3. And then here you just have a river going right through the city. I'm not actually sure what the river's called. Seems like you can do boat tours or something. Loads of boats here. We're not going to be doing that though. I think now we just want to head somewhere to get some lunch. To a restaurant, food from Beirut, and Carol's going to be getting this vegetable roll here, which is cheese, lettuce, tomato for €4.50, and I'm going to get a falafel with cheese, and that's €5. The place looks pretty cool. Everything's Arab today. I also got this beer for €2.80, really big beer, extra large. We've now come to Plaza de España. This is the place that I was wanting to visit the most, and it's actually free. I thought we'd have to pay to come here, but it's just basically a square, so I guess that's why. But look at this for an incredible looking place. You have these huge towers. It's got a river with little boats as well. Really big square. Once again, also you have like the ceramics everywhere. Here as well. So I read that this was constructed in 1928, and apparently it was because of some international fair that Spanish was holding for over a year, and I think it was with the countries that they had like colonized, and I think also Brazil was invited because of like a political union that they had with Portugal. I think for over a year there was like fairs, and yeah, all those countries from like South America, Central America were here, and I'm not sure how it worked out, but yeah, that's the story behind this place. So here we seem to have a map, so I guess that's the river we crossed before, Rio Guadalquivir. Looks like there's like ceramic art going all the way down this wall. I think it goes all the way around. I think each tile is like a different city, because you had Zaragoza there.
Is that a city?
Zamora. I don't know if it's a city.
There is Valladolid in Mexico, so maybe
yeah.
there's a city here.
Valladolid. Yeah, so that's basically it. Each like tile section is a different city, and everyone has a map of the city. Do you want to go inside?
Yes.
In the shade?
So here.
So here. Alright, so a few hours have passed and we've come to like a square here with a really interesting building. I've been showing you loads of like historical buildings, but this one is definitely modern. So look at the size of this thing above us. This is all made out of wood, apparently. It's huge. So I think this is called nicest de Seville. Probably pronounced that wrong, but yeah, I think it's called that anyway. Apparently you can go to the top of it and it's a really good spot for like the sunset. So yeah, I think we're gonna try that now. I think you gotta pay a little bit, but apparently it's worth it. So yeah, I think we're gonna head up there right now. So we've come to the top now. It was €3 per person, but they give you like a voucher where you get $1 off any drink. So I got this beer here and Carol got some white wine. How much was all this? I think €4.50 with the discount, right? Yeah. So not bad really. It's like €2. In a bit we'll go for a walk and then I'll show you the cool views. What do you think, Carol?
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty chill. So you can see we've already got a church here. We didn't visit that one today. I think that tower that we went to early in the morning, La Giralda, it's all the way there. And you can see there's basically just this walkway, goes all the way over the roof. And up there is the sunset spot, I guess. Then we gotta head there. So that's a pretty nice sunset to end the day. It's been an amazing day here in Seville. In tomorrow's video we're going to be heading to Cordoba. It's only like 40 minutes away from here, pretty close. So that will be the next video that's going to come up. And yeah, I'm going to close the video out now. We're not going to do much. We might just go to a bar, get a few drinks before we go to bed, and then yeah, just get ready for tomorrow. So as always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video to support me. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.